Hey everyone! Welcome back to Karlover, USA, the place where we explore RVs, road trips, and everything you need to know before hitting the open road. Today, we're diving into the 2021 Forest River Mirada 315, a Class A motorhome that's all about comfort, style, and functionality for families and travelers across the USA. So, whether you're planning a cross-country trip, a weekend getaway, or even full-time RV living, this model has a lot to offer. Stick with me for the full breakdown inside, outside, features, and my honest take at the end. Let's start with the exterior. The 2021 Forest River Mirada 315 sits on a Ford F53 chassis powered by a 7.3-litre V8 engine, often called the Godzilla engine, delivering 350 horsepower and 468 lb-ft of torque. That means plenty of strength to handle mountain roads and long highway stretches. It's just under 33 feet long, giving you a balance between maneuverability and spacious living. You'll also notice the full-body paint with stylish graphics, a power awning with LED lights, and tons of exterior storage compartments for camping gear, chairs, and even grills. And yes, it comes prepped with an outdoor entertainment system A-flat, screen TV with speakers perfect for tailgating or relaxing under the stars. Step inside, and you're greeted with a modern, residential-style interior. The Mirada 315 is designed to feel like home. Up front, the cockpit has comfortable captain's chairs that swivel to become part of the living space. Just above, there's an optional drop-down overhead bunk, which is great for kids or extra guests. Moving into the living area, you'll find a sofa and a booth dinette, both of them, which can convert into sleeping spaces. The layout is open, thanks to the slide-out, giving you plenty of room to move around. The kitchen comes fully equipped with a 3-burner gas cooktop, oven, microwave, residential-sized refrigerator, and solid-surfaced countertops. Storage is everywhere, so you'll have no problem stocking up for long trips. Heading to the rear, the master bedroom is a standout feature. You get a king-size bed, nightstands, wardrobe space, and a dedicated TV. It's comfortable and private, perfect for unwinding after a long day on the road. The bathroom is mid-coach and features a full-size shower, sink with vanity, medicine cabinet, and porcelain toilet. The design is compact, but very functional, and it feels more like a small home bathroom rather than a typical RV setup. Now let's talk about the behind-the-scenes essentials. The Mirada 315 comes with a 5.5 kilovolt Onan generator, dual AC units, and a 50 amp electrical system, so power management is never an issue. You'll also find a water filtration system, large fresh and grey water tanks, and heated holding tanks a must for those planning to travel through colder states. Plus, the RV is prepped for solar, making it future-proof for those who want to go off-grid.
Driving a Class A motorhome can be intimidating, but the 2021 Mirada 315 makes it easier. It's equipped with side view and rear view cameras, automatic leveling jacks, cruise control, and upgraded suspension options. The visibility from the cockpit is excellent, giving you confidence on highways and tighter campgrounds. So, what do I think of the 2021 Forest River Mirada 315? Pros: a spacious floor plan, king-size bed, powerful V8 engine, great storage, and family-friendly features. Cons: at nearly 33 feet, it's not the easiest to maneuver in tight campgrounds, and fuel economy, like most Class A motorhomes, is something to keep in mind. Overall, the Mirada 315 offers an incredible balance of luxury and practicality. For families or couples looking for a home on wheels that's ready for USA road trips, This RV is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this walkthrough of the 2021 Forest River Mirada 315, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss more RV reviews and travel tips. Drop a comment below. Would you take the Mirada 315 on a cross-country trip? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, safe travels and happy camping.